What is up? It's the Cosmic.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Yo, what is up, everyone? Thank you so much for watching the Anonymous Trader Stockcast. Today, I am giving you my daily watch list. And today, we are going to go over two types of strategies: options trading and day traders. For you day traders, for you dip buyers, for you spike chasers, for swing traders, for anybody who shorts. If you want anything to do with any of these stocks, well, by golly, they're going to be moving tomorrow. Whether they're going to go up or down, I don't know. I just have to give a quick disclaimer. I'm not a professional. I'm not a guru. I am no way, shape, or form licensed to tell you what to do with your money. You do you. This is my DD. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at to play. So, without that being said, tickle that subscribe button. Kiss that like button. I don't want y'all to smash it. Smashing is so aggressive. Just so aggressive. But what I'm going to be aggressive with is these gains, boy. So, let's start. Our first low cost runner is NXTD. NXTD. They are a security and protection services. Their float is 28.3 million. Market cap 17.77 million. That's all I really care about looking at that. And I also care about this nice little spike right here. This nice little run into the after hours today. My plan is to see this actually spike and break out above 0.68. I want to see, let's go back. I want to see 0.73, 0.75. 0.73 looks like a good spot. And I want to see that in the 4 a.m. trading. Otherwise, this is a bearish stock. After that, I would not keep money in it. Don't be a bag holder on this one. Next, Mara, M-A-R-A. It is running with Bitcoin, baby, and I'm actually in Mara right now. So I do own securities in Mara and Mara only out of all of these. So Mara, I do expect it to run. My plan is to sell it tomorrow into the 190s, closer to $2 range, as long as Bitcoin decides to keep running. And as you can see, there's been some news, but not a whole lot of real news. What came out here? This was at 4 p.m. Wow, look at that. They're doing an offering for the common strike. Oh, snap. All right. Well, I would not be in Mara. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm probably. Oh no, this was on July 24th. Yeah, they dropped an offering, so I would not be too bullish on this actually. And I got myself in a pickle because I didn't look at the news coming out. So that's what you get for being dumb, honestly. And it looks like the news hasn't really circulated yet. Which is crazy, because the news came out right around here and it spiked. The offering spiked it. That's crazy. I still think it's going to continue to run with Bitcoin, regardless if they're going to drop offerings or not. So be keeping an eye out on Mara. Possibly a morning panic down to $38, $26. I would see a bounce on a morning panic. VTVT. Let's go. First green day. Gap up in the morning. VTVT, let me see, what did you do? This is all, honestly, and this is why you need to be using Benzinga Pro, because if you're not using Benzinga Pro, you're sorely missing out on a lot of stuff. You can catch the news faster than any of these quote-unquote breaking news chat rooms, discords. Even though we do have a Discord, most of our stuff comes from Benzinga Pro. So, what if you want Benzinga Pro? 1 month, 25%, or 1 month is about $135, but 25% off got you for $110. And then 2-week free obligation trial. You don't even need a credit card. All you have to do is just type in your phone number. But with that being said, moving on here, 6:30 a.m. VTVT had some news. And when did it decide to keep going? It spiked and it spiked what? When? Oh, at 7:30? You had an hour. You had this news for a whole hour. You could have been in this and just waited for it. And been in at the bottom. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Next. Oh, well, anyways. I expect this to have a day 2 of the run based off this news. And if it does panic, I am going to see the morning panic come down. Let's go to the 1 day. Morning panic. I would see right here at 303. 304. Depending on how much it gaps tomorrow. And if it goes any lower, of course, $3 is going to be a nice round range. Then 927 is looking to be a 297 is looking to be a nice little resistance level as well. So, or support / resistance. So keep a lookout for those levels. It is getting close to that, to the breakout high. And that's what my big one is, the 304. So next is BKYI. BIOK International Float 15 million. What are we looking at? 15 million market cap. What's happening? Oh wow, 7:57 a.m. BKYI had National Defense Aerospace Contractor selects BIOK's Portal Guard to solve identity and access management challenges across its business and manufacturing use cases. An explosion. When was that time again? 6:57. I'm just telling y'all. If you're not using Benzinga Pro, like you straight messing up. 6:57 right here. You had time. Even if you got in on a position, lost 2 cents a share, you would have been rewarded an hour after you bought. Curzy, CAPR. CAPR. It's just running because it's a low floater. 13 million. How much volume did it push through today? Shit. That's a lot of volume. And it's a biotech, and it's a biotech that's running because, you know, biotechs run. Especially nowadays with COVID. And I don't see any COVID blah 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 in here, but I would be looking for them. Again, I don't know jack crap about these stocks. I see the charts, I see the quote-unquote setups, and right now it is looking like it is a second green day, ready to panic. I want to see 950. And I want to see it fail from 950 and go maybe to 869. I like 869. That's a nice level number, but it's overextended in my opinion. It's up 2 days. I will not be chasing this. But y'all play what you want to play. I do see a bounce. This is a bounce opportunity. This is what fits my criteria for a low float runner morning panic dip buy. And next, boom, 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 is options. We are going to go into space, SPCE. They are two things. Earnings coming up in 7 days. Expect to run up to earnings because, you know, there's always a run up. There's not always a run up, but typically there's a run up into earnings, especially nowadays with all these new traders that want to think earnings is good. So why not ride the momentum? That's what the market is for. Space is to reveal world's first virtual design of its spaceship cabin tomorrow at July 28th, 2020 on YouTube at 1 p.m. Eastern. I expect this thing to run up into it. So what am I putting it on? Well, if you were on the Anonymous Traders Discord server, then you would see, and this is the first time and the only time that I'm going to be posting this, I will no longer be telling you what my strike entry points are. I'll just be telling you I'm looking at them with a bullish or bearish sentiment. Option space, I want it to break to 25.85, and I am planning for a $26 call for July 31st expiration. Next, UPS is running into earnings like I thought because I've had a position on it before, and then I sold out because I like the gains that I had. I should have kept holding it because I said YOLO into earnings. Well, guess what? I'm probably going to YOLO into earnings again because FedEx did the same thing. UPS earnings are going to be great. They have been just doing great business, and they've been charging for holiday shipping within these past few COVID months, which fills up their quarter. So my call idea will be 125 for July 21st, and that's my best choice. If I can't get 125, I'm getting 130. Next, mRNA announced that they are starting phase 3 of COVID vaccine, so I'm going to do a $85 call for July 31st. That's what I can see as a $85 call. And so we got they're filling the gap. They kind of fill the gap. I feel like it can keep running as well. So 85 is what I want to see. But who knows if I'll get it. UPS 125 is what I want. I mean, UPS, go to year to date. UPS is almost at an all-time high. 125, that's what I want. I wanted to at least touch it. We go to 5 years, and it's gotten up to 130 before. So, but absolutely overextended as well. So after earnings, I mean, I want to say yellow into it, but I'll just yellow into Thursday. And after earnings, I expect this thing to tank, man. It's so overextended. Just look at it. Every time it's just ran this much, it's UPS overextended. But bruh, anyways, that's all my watch list. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to touch the like button and caress the subscribe like it's a baby. What do you do with babies? You pass it on and you share with your friends. You share the babies with your friends. That's why people have babies, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.